Welcome back, dear student, for the part 3 of our history lesson Life on Earth. We have discussed this lesson already. Still, we will have a quick revise of this lesson through this actual textbook slide. So first, we have seen formation of the Earth, how the Earth was created. You can see the image of Earth here. And it has got number of changes we have discussed already, and about 4.5 billion years ago, clouds were created in the we can say universe, which were hot, including had hot gases, and dust was there in the universe. Then this, because of the motion or circular motion of this dust and other particles, different planets were created, different parts of the celestial bodies were created like Mercury was, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These all planets were created, and this was the beginning of this. Afterwards, what happened? Beginning of life on the Earth, how the life become on the Earth, how it get. After formation of the Earth, we have told already that formation of the Earth was done, Earth was created, and about 80 crore years it started getting cooled down. It took, how many years it took to cool down? 80 crore years. How many? 80 crore years it took to cool down its surface of the, we can say, Earth. And it is believed that various kinds of unicellular organisms, I told you what is unicellular organism in my previous video. Unicellular organism is organism which having only one cell in their body, and they were first formed in water. I told you that also, and that was protozoa. Protozoa was formed in the water. You can see the image of protozoa. This is seen in the microscope. If you look in the microscope, you can see like this image, and it is small, very small. You cannot see without microscope. So here is microscope also given. Picture of microscope is given. And now there is last part of the lesson remaining, the animal world on the Earth. Okay. In that we have the living world on the Earth consists plants and animals. Living things we include plants and animals. So we will be discussing about the animal in this lesson. We are not discussing about the plants. We are discussing about animals. So there are certain features or characteristics of animal. This can be seen in any type of animal. First characteristic is what? Animal breathe. Animal breathe means they take breathing. They are breathing. They take breathing. So animal breathe. They have to take inhale and exhale. You are also doing inhale and exhaling. Inhale, exhale. So taking breathing. Okay. Breathing is there. So each animal has to do breathing. It depends. Some animal do different. Each animal has, we can say, a certain way of breathing. Water animals or we can say aquatic animal breathe differently. So we have a certain we can say differences in breathing system of animals. Second characteristics of animal is animal move in order to get food and other purpose. So animal have to move. Animal move from the place to place. For example, animal will move for what purpose? They will move for the water. They will search for the water. Then they will search for the food also. For this reason they have to move from the place to place. Even man also moves, or they work, because they require food and they require water. For main reason for the traveling or the animal move from place to place is they move in order to get food or other, some other purposes also can be there. For example, if the animals feeling that it is very cool, so it can migrate in other area where it's quite good atmosphere for him, or we can say that animal. So like many migrating birds come to India, Bharatpur. from other countries, because the climate in that area is very we can say extreme, where they are not able to survive, so they move from place to place. So one more reason for animal travel is climate change. Next characteristic is some of the animals lay eggs and their young ones are born out of eggs, and some animals give birth to their young ones. Okay, some animals give eggs, like we can say snake is there, crocodile is there, and then hen is there. This animal lay eggs, they give eggs. They give eggs, and from the eggs, the new animals are, or their babies are born, or their young ones are born. So some animal give eggs, and some animal give direct birth to their young one, like human beings, then cow. So these are called as mammals. Mammals are the animal which give birth to their young one. So if you want to divide the animals into two groups, they can be divided like the animal which are giving eggs, and from eggs the animal is getting birth, and the other is the animal which is giving direct birth, like we have example here. So number of animals example you can see in the picture. Some animal give birth to their young one, and some animal lay eggs. Here you can see animal birth. So these are the this was all about the lesson. So next part we'll be discussing about the textbook questions. Okay, in short we'll be discussing. So first question is answer each question in one sentence. First question is, what instrument do we need to see a unicellular organism? So if you want to see a small organism, very small organism, what is used? So answer of this question is here in the image. This is the answer. What is that? A microscope is used to see small microorganism. For the first question's answer is microscope. Okay, the second question. Where did the protozoa appear first? So protozoa was first appear in water. Again I am repeating the answer. Where did the protozoa appear first? The protozoa first appeared in water. So you can write the answers in your notebook. This question's answer you can write in your notebook. So you write down this answer. I have told both the answers. Next question is, how were the sun and the planets in our solar system created? So I have already discussed with you in the part 1 of our lesson. At the beginning, what was happening? It was some 4.5 billion years ago. Enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust spinning at a great speed was formed in the space, and its circular motion and great speed caused it to divide into several portions. Thus, the sun and the planets were created. Okay, the answer of this question. Next question is, write any two characteristics of animals. Two characteristics of animals are given on the last page. There are three characteristics actually given. One, animal breathe. Second is animal move in order to get food. And third is how they give birth to their young one. Like some animal lay eggs and some animal give direct birth. So answer of this question is also given to you. Now next question that you have to solve by yourself. Here are certain name of the planets you have to find out. For example, I will give only one example. So Mercury. This will be Mercury. So you can highlight this Mercury. So you try to find it. This is very simple one. So you do yourself this activity. So you make the we can say a table, or you can use your maths notebooks, one page, and paste like this, so it will be easy for you. And you have to find the names of planets, and you have to use different colors. For example, here is Mercury. So what will you be doing? You will use this one color. Of course, it should be very light color. The word should be visible. It should not be very dark. So one color you will give to Mercury. And then same way you will use another color. The color will be different. The color will be different. and you will be using a different color. For example, Neptune. So here you will be using another color. Here is different color, here is different color. Okay. This way you solve the answer. Next question is arrange the events given in chronological order. Chronological order means the order the thing has happened first. Which thing happened first, which thing happened next, which thing happened again next, like this. Okay, that is called chronological order. For example, what will be first? First man will take birth, second will go to school, then he will get married, at last he will die. So this is chronological order that is happening according to sequence. It has a sequence, so it is happening according to sequence. So here are a few statements are given here. You have to arrange them in chronological order. The first one, water bodies appear on the Earth's surface. The sun and the planets revolve around it were created. Protozoa appeared in water. An enormous cloud of hot gases and dust was formed. So you can make this yourself. Still I will try to tell you. This will be the first because enormous cloud and hot gases were created first. Then second will be the sun and the planets were created. And third, water bodies appeared on the Earth's surface. This will be third. And last, protozoa appeared in water. This is the correct sequence of the answer. The next activity that you have to do is make a model of solar system using balls of different sizes. For this, what you can do, you can take a big sheet. On that big sheet, you can use different sizes of balls, and you can paste them. Or you can do one more thing instead of that. You can draw it. You can draw actual solar system on a big, we can say drawing sheet, and you can paste the drawing sheet on a chart, or can be pasted on a, you can say cardboard. So this can be done. You can do, if you are able to do with the balls, that is very good. If you are not able to do, then you try to do, or you will definitely draw. Either one of these you can do, either make a model of solar system itself, or you can draw the model of solar system on drawing sheet. So this is all about this lesson, and the lesson is very short one, and I have already covered the lesson, each point in our three videos, so that will be beneficial. Still, if you have any doubts, you can ask. And one more thing, at last I will say, you have to write this question and answer in your notebook, and do this activity also. So, okay, this much was for this lesson. Take care and be happy. Thank you.